Jai Shri Gurudev. Good evening, students. Welcome to Computer Online Class. Today's topic is computer virus. Computer virus is a small software program or a piece of code that is designed to spread from one computer to another and interfere with the normal computer operations. A computer virus is generally loaded into your computer without your knowledge and runs against your wishes. All computer viruses are man-made. Computer virus indication or infections. The computer runs slower than usual and the computer no longer boots up. Boots up means start up. Sometimes the screen flickers. The system crashes without any reason. The file directors disappear sometime. The files having strange name that you cannot recognize. The available system, memory or disk space gets reduced. Abnormal restart or shutdown of the computer may happen. Unknown or newly created files, programs or processor appears on the computer. There are all of types of pop-ups and messages on the browser window while browsing. Types of computer virus. First one, boot sector virus, program virus, macro virus, Trojan horse, worm virus, malware virus. The computer virus is an intentionally written harmful program designed to obstruct the functioning of the system. First one, boot sector virus. Boot sector virus affect the boot sector of the hard disk. This is a crucial part of the disk which stores the information along with the program. It makes it possible to boot or start the computer from the disk. Next to program virus. A program virus infects the executable program files. It can only spread if you run the specific program that has infected. For example, if you have xyz.x file on your desktop which contain virus and you click on it, it will infect your computer. Once active, the virus will make copies of itself and will infect the other program on the computer. Next, macrovirus. This type of virus infect the data files. It is a computer virus that alerts or replaces a macro, which is a set of commands used by programs to perform common actions. For example, the open document action in many word processing programs relies on a macro to function since these are several discrete steps in the process. Macroviruses change this command set. Macrovirus infect Microsoft Office Word, Excel, PowerPoint, Access files and are typically spread to other similar documents. Next, Trojan horse virus. Trojans are malicious programs that perform actions that have not been authorized by the user. These actions can include deleting data, blocking data, modifying data, copying data, performance of computer or computer networks. Next to worm virus. A worm is a malicious program that will replicate itself and spread from computer to computer. Generally, worms use the computer network to spread from one computer to another. Malware virus. Malware is a short form of malicious software. These are the programs or applications which get installed on your computer without your knowledge and are designed to damage your computer system. Next, spyware virus. Spyware is a software that secretly gathers user information through the user's internet connection without his or her knowledge, usually for advertising purposes. Spyware is mostly used for the purpose of tracking and storing internet users' movements on the web and display pop-up ads to them. Next, adware virus. Adware is the name given to programs that are designed to display advertisements on your computer. Redirect your search request to advertising website and collect marketing type data about you. Example, customized advertisements are displayed depending on the types of websites you would have visited. The term adware can also be used to refer to the software that displays unwanted advertisements to the user of the computer. How do computer viruses spread? Computer viruses usually spread by the ways here from removable media like CDs, DVDs and pen drives, from downloads of the internet, from email attachment. Preventing a virus infection. We all know the virus is a malicious software that has negative effect on your computer. It slows down the computer, damages the infected file and disturb the normal functioning of the computer. So, it's always better to protect your computer from the harmful effects of virus infection. Ensure that you are running the latest virus protection software. The antivirus program should be updated regularly. Scan the removable devices before opening or copying any file from it. Don't open email attachments unless you are sure that it is safe. Scan the files that you want to download with a proper antivirus program. Take regular backups of all important files. Antivirus software. Antivirus software is a program or set of programs that are designed to prevent, search for, detect and remove software viruses from a computer. You should always ensure that you have an antivirus software installed and enabled on your computer. This type of software can detect and block viruses before they have a chance to cause any harm. A good antivirus program that scans for viruses on your hard drive or any program, file or documents. Some of the popular antivirus softwares are here. See that McAfee, Avast antivirus, Norton antivirus, AVG antivirus, Avira antivirus, MAC-free antivirus. These are the examples. Okay children, thank you. I hope all you understood this topic about virus. Thank you. Jai Shri Gurudev.